All right, this says which equation best represents the situation below. So we're not solving, we're just trying to figure out which equation we would need to use. All right, well, Donna and Tom are saving money. Okay, Donna has $58 and saves an additional $3 per day. So that means that's where our variable is going to go. Yep. Then Tom has $34 and saves an additional $5 per day. So that's definitely going to need a variable. How many days will it take for them to have the same amount of money? Well, the same means equal. All right, so let's come down here and we're going to write it out just so that we can figure out what we're doing, okay? So we know that we want the two sides to be equal. And we know Donna's over here and Tom's over here. So Donna, she has $58. That's not going to change. She has that amount ready to go. But she's going to save, which means we're adding to that money, $3 every day. Now let's talk about Tom. Tom has $34 and he's going to save, which means adding $5 every day. So let's see if we can find an equation that is 58 plus 3x equals 34 plus 5x. Well, that's this one right here. That's your answer. So be careful because they tried to trick you with B, but they put the variable with the wrong number. Always put the variable with either the one that has the word per or each because that's repeating. It's happening over and over. All right, let's see what's next. Ooh, we have an equation to solve. So it says solve the equation, and we're going to go ahead and check it too because equations can always be checked. You should never miss them. All right, well, let's do some distribution first. Distribution, parentheses, always comes first. 3 times 2, and like I said, I'm using my calculator just to show you how to do that. 6m. And then I'm going to change that to, because I'm multiplying the 3 times a positive 1, which gives us positive 3. Make sure to multiply twice, not just once. Now I'm going to bring down negative 7 equals 104. All right, I'm going to draw myself a little line here just to give me some room, and so I don't mess things up. I'm looking for m's and I'm looking for numbers because now I have to put terms together. Well, I've got a positive 6m on that side. I've got a positive 3 on this side and a negative 7. Well, I know I'm bringing down 6m, but let's come over here and use Desmos just to be positive. So 3 minus 7 is negative 4. So I take that and move it up here, and I'm going to keep solving. 6m minus 4 equals 104. Now I have to eliminate the constant. The constant is at negative 4. Opposite of negative 4 is plus 4 on each side. So 6m comes down equals, and then over here 104 plus 4 is 108. After that, I have to isolate the variable. That means get the variable alone by dividing out that 6, which gives me 1m equals, and let's come over here, 108 divided by 6 is 18. But let's make certain this works by typing it into Desmos. We're going to start with 3 parentheses, 2m plus 1, close parentheses, minus 7. Then we're going to put in our answer. M equals 18. And that gives us 104 which is exactly what we needed. Always make sure you're checking your equations in Desmos. That's how you can be positive that you're going to get them right.